You know that feeling when you ask an AI for help, and it gives you the most generic, surface-level advice imaginable? Like, to be more productive, make a to-do list. Thanks, robot, very helpful. Here's the thing, most people use AI tools completely wrong. They treat them like a search engine or a magic answer box. But AI is terrible at giving you a perfect answer on the first try. What it's actually amazing at: being a thinking partner. And that changes everything. Here's the first key point: stop asking for answers. Start asking for options. Instead of "write me a marketing plan," try "give me 5 different approaches to marketing this product, ranked by how risky each one is." Suddenly you're not getting one generic plan. You're getting a menu of trade-offs. You can pick, combine, or reject. The AI becomes a brainstorming buddy, not a replacement for your brain. Try this today with literally anything you're working on and watch the quality jump. Second, use AI as your reverse editor. Here's a trick I use every single day. You write something yourself first. A draft email, a proposal, whatever. Then you ask the AI, "Read this and tell me every assumption I'm making that I didn't state explicitly." That's it. No rewriting. No polishing. Just find the blind spots. The AI will spot things like you're assuming the client knows this context or you're assuming budget isn't an issue. Those unstated assumptions? They're the things that get your emails ignored and your proposals rejected. Fix those and you've already won. Third, build a personal knowledge base. This one's a game changer. Most people start every task from scratch with the AI. But the magic happens when you give the AI context about you. Your past projects. Your writing style. Your goals. Tools let you save this stuff now. Spend 10 minutes writing down your top 5 goals this quarter, your 3 biggest recurring mistakes, and your preferred communication style. Feed that to the AI before every major task. The difference between AI with no context and AI with your context is like the difference between a random intern and your best employee who's worked with you for years. So here's your takeaway. Don't use AI to skip thinking. Use it to think better. Ask for options, not answers. Use it to catch your blind spots. And give it enough context to actually know you. One small shift in how you prompt, and you go from getting generic garbage to getting genuinely useful output that saves you hours a week. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. Drop a comment with your favorite AI productivity tip. I read every single one and I feature the best ones in future videos. Thanks for watching, and go make your AI actually useful.